according to me. Question number, chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Section C. Question number 2. Section 3. Question number 2. This chapter commonly called as redemption of debentures. Redemption of debentures. Now you're supposed to know what is the redemption of debentures. For example, you can take in case of company. The company needs the huge capital. To generate capital, what the company will do here is they will go for issue of shares. As well as they will go for issue of preference shares, issue of equity shares. At the same time, they will go for even for bank. They will take a loan. At the same time, they will issue the debenture also. Once the debenture which got issued, they are generated the fund by issue of debentures. After the prescribed time, that debenture should be repaid to the investors. For example, ನಾನೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕದಮ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದರೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ that should be repaid. The process of repayment is called as redemption of debenture. Repayment of debentures. There will be a prescribed time. Agreement ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. They will do the agreement. 5 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, 10 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, 15 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. According to the terms and conditions. It's commonly called as redemption of debenture. Name itself which indicates redemption, repayment of debentures. Now we are supposed to know how to close the books of account in case of redemption of debentures. Now I will work out on 24 marks problem. The chapter 3 is section C, question number 2. I will put these questions in your WhatsApp. By tomorrow itself I will put this one in the WhatsApp. Now I will read the question. On 1/1/2012, the Shankar Limited issued 1009% debentures. They are issued 1009% debentures. They are issued 9% debentures of 100 each. That means the debenture value is how much? 1 lakh. That will be 1? No. That will be 1 lakh. That will be 1 lakhs. 100 each at par. Redeemed at the end of the 4th year. ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? At the end of the 4th year. 4 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. At 5% premium. At 5% premium. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ 1 ಲಕ್ಷನೇ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ವಾ, 5% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. 5% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ? That will be 5,000. Totally, they are going to repay how much now? 1 lakh 5,000. 1 lakh 5,000. 5% pay. It was decided to install a debenture redemption fund. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They will create a debenture redemption fund for the purpose of redemption. And investment being expected earn 4% interest. 4% interest. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 1 ಲಕ್ಷ. That will yield. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್? 4%. Expected return is 4%. The sinking fund table shows that 0.235490 is invested annually. The amount amounts to 1 rupees 1 at 4% for 4 years. The investment being multiple of 100 only. Investment being multiple of 100 only. Now, investment were realized 76,000. Investment were sold. Investment were sold 76,000. Now, we are supposed to prepare the ledger account. Supposed to prepare a necessary ledger account to close the books of account. To close the books of account. Now, while talking about this, sinking fund table shows that 0.235490 invested annually in ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ we are supposed to know how much to be transferred to profit and loss. How much to be transferred to profit and loss. How much to be transferred to profit and loss. Now, profit and loss is equal to, they are going to redeem debenture how much? 1,05,000 into 0.235490. This is called as profit and loss. This is called as profit and loss. How many did you got? 24,726. 726.45. That we can keep it as 26. 24,726. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂತರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, 4 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು 5 ಇದೆ, ಆದ ಕಾರಣ 726 we can keep it. This is called as transfer to profit and loss. Now, first you are supposed to prepare, the first account is called as 5% debenture account. 5% debenture account. 5% debenture account. 5% debenture account. You are supposed to keep one date column also. 5% debenture account. Now this is date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. Date, particular, rupees. Now, one by one, by bank. There is 1/1 when they are issued 1/1/2012 by bank should be, they are redeemed at 1,05,000. Make the account tally 1,05,000, 1,05,000, 31st 12/2012 to balance carried down 1,05,000, 1/1/2013 by balance brought down 1,05,000. At the account tally for 5 years we are supposed to do 1,05,000, 1,05,000, 31st 12/2013 to balance carried down 1,05,000, 1/1/2014 by balance brought down 1,05,000. Make the account, do the total 1,05,000, 1,05,000, 31st 12/2012 to balance 14. Is it 12, 13, 14? 14, 1,05,000, 1/1/2015 by balance brought down 1,05,000, 1,05,000. But in the last year, we'll do the total 1,05,000, 1,05,000, 31st 12/2015 to ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟಾ, ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುದು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1 lakh ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಒಂದು. ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್. Immediately after this account you are supposed to prepare next one. Next account you are supposed to prepare debenture redemption fund account. Debenture redemption fund account. Fund account. Debenture redemption fund account. Debenture redemption fund account. Debenture redemption fund account. Date, particulars, rupees. Date, particular, rupees. Now, one by one we are supposed to do. Now, on 31st 12, 2012. Allah, 1 1. On 31st 12, 2012. 31st 12, 2012 by profit and loss. By profit and loss. Just now we found Ali, ಎಷ್ಟು profit and loss? 24,726. That's all. Over 24,726. 24,726. On 31st 12, 2012, to balance carried down 24,726. Is it correct? Yes. Are you catching till now? Yes. 1/1/2013 by balance brought down 24,726. Again this year we are supposed to give 31st 12, 2012 by profit and loss 24,726. But it says each year they are going to yield. They are going to yield interest. The interest will be in the form of cash. That's bank. 31st 12, 2013. 13 bank which yields at 4% interest alva. 4% on this 24,726 into 4 divided by 100. 989. That's all. Oh, do the total of this. 50,000. 441. 441. Again here 31st 12, 2012 to balance carried down 50,441. Here 1/1/2014 by balance brought down 50,441. 31st 12, 2014 by profit and loss 24,726. Again 31st 12, 2014 by bank by bank 31st 12 which yields 4%. 4% on what? This 50,441 into 4 by 100. 4 by 100. How many did you got? 2018.
2018.
2008. 2008. Do the total of this. That's all. 77,185. 5. 31st 12, 2000, 14. To balance, carried down 77,185. 77,185. Again, 1/1/2015. By balance brought down 77,185. 31st 12, 2015 by profit and loss should be 24,726. 31st 12, 2015 by bank, that is 77,185 into 4% yields. 3,087. Now, in the last year, what you are going to do here is, you are going to redeem the debenture in the fourth year. At the time of redeeming debentures, we are redeeming at a premium. At a premium. ಆವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ that will be written here 31st December 2015 to profit and loss 1000. That is premium. Go for the next account. You are supposed to go for a next account. The next account to be premium. ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟಿನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Debenture redemption fund and investment account. Now one more column is supposed to keep here. This date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. Now, what we are supposed to do here is debenture redemption fund and investment account supposed to be open. Now, in this account, first we are supposed to write here on 31st 12, 2012 to bank. You have written here profit and loss. Now, that is we are supposed to write here 24,726. That's all we are supposed to write. Do the total of this. 24,726. 31st 12, 2012 by balance brought carried down 24,726. Again that should be brought down here 1/1/2013 to balance brought down 24,726. Thereafter, on 31st 12, 2013. Now, the question arises here. In the particular problem, listen. In this particular problem, last sentence is investment were made multiple of 100 only. Multiple of 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 24,726 ಇದೆ. 24,726 ಇದೆ. 26 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಆಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ 24,700 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. 24,700. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆಬೇಕಾದ್ದು 24,700 ಮಾತ್ರ. 24,700 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ 100. Are you understood this? Is because of multiple of 100. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 26 ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 26 ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಗೆ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ನು on 31st 12 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ 31st 12 2013 to bank. While considering the bank, what you are supposed to do here is try to understand. You are supposed to keep this is called as a first working. This is the first working. Now second working for this now. Second working for this. You are supposed to keep it in your mind. This is the first working. This is the first working. Multiple of 100. Multiple of 100. That means 24,726 ಅನ್ನ multiple of 100 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 24,700 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 26 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. Now, while coming to the second year, what you are supposed to do here is you are supposed to find out what should be the bank for the second year. Now, working note 2. Working note 2. Working note 2. We are supposed to take, this is profit and second year estimated idu profit and loss 24,726 plus what is the interest here? 989 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 26 ಬಿಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು?
25,741.
25,741. 741. 25,741. 25,741 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 25,700. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು? 41. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 25,700. 25,700 multiply 100 ಮಾಡೋದು 25,700. Do the total of this. Now ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ what you left. How much you got total? 50,400. 31st 12 again by balance carried down 50,400. Again here 1/1/2014 to balance brought down, that is 50,400. 31st 12/2014 to bank. Now we are supposed to find out go for working note number 3. Working note number 3. We are supposed to transfer for profit and loss is to 24,726. What is the interest in the second year? 2,018. How much you left off here? 41. Total ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು?
26,785.
26,785. Round up, multiply 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 26,700. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯಿತು? 85. Now here you are supposed to write 26,700. Do the total of this. 77,100. 77,100. 31st 12/2014 by balance brought down 77,100. 77,100. Again, that should be brought down here. 1/1/2015 to balance brought down 77,100. Now here in the last year ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊನೆ ವರ್ಷ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್. ಈ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 31/12/2015 by bank. They realized at rupees 76,000. Realized at rupees ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ? 76,000. Do the total of this. Which side is more? Debit side is more. 77,100. 77,100. Difference is called as by 31/12/2015. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1,100. This will be transferred to debenture redemption fund account. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. 31/12/2015 ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1,100. Now do the total of this account. Close the account. The balance figure will be transferred to general reserve.
1,04,998.
Total is to
1,04,998.
998. 1,04,998. Balance figure will be called as general reserve.
98,898.
98,898. 98,898. These are the three accounts you are supposed to prepare. Thereafter, you are supposed to prepare a debenture holders account. Supposed to prepare a debenture holders account. The small account. Very small account. Debenture holders account. Date, particular rupees. Date, particulars rupees. Now, debenture holders. In the first account, debenture account we are opened. Yes or no?
Yes.
A debenture account ಅಲ್ಲಿ debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ to debenture holder ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Yes or no? We are returned to debit side debenture holders. But here on 31/12/2015 by debentures account 1 lakh. By debentures account 1 lakh. 1 lakh. At the same time, in the debenture redemption fund account, there is a premium. There is a premium that is 31/12/2015 by debenture redemption fund account. That is 5,000. Debenture redemption fund account premium is show 5,000. Debenture redemption fund 5,000. And do the total of this. 1,05,000. 1,05,000 to bank. 31/12/2012 to bank. 1,05,000 to bank. Last account you are supposed to prepare bank account. Last account here is bank account. Bank account. Date, particulars, rupees. Date, particulars, rupees. Now, on 1/1/2000, ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ 2015 to balance brought down. But ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ brought down. ಜನರಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ 31st ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರ್ದಿವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕೊನೆ ವರ್ಷ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 31/12/2015 by debenture holders account, that is 1,05,000. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊನೆ ವರ್ಷ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ ನೋಡಿ, ಬೈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟು? 3087. ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮುಗೀತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅದು ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಒಂದು ಉಂಟಾ? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 76,000 31/12/2015. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು SR. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಕೊನೆ ವರ್ಷ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್
25,900.
ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
1,05,000.
ಟೋಟಲಿ 1,05,000. Balance figure to balance carried down.
25,913.
25,913. 31st 12. 25,913. 25,913. That's all. You're supposed to do like this. These are the accounts you're supposed to prepare. That's all.